Congratulations on your purchase of WinZip Driver Updater. As soon as your order is completed, you should be redirected to the confirmation page, which includes your registration key. You should also have received an email with this same information, so it's a good idea to keep that email saved in case you need to access this information at any other time. If you haven't yet installed the program, or you can't find it on your system for some reason, you can always find a download link here. Just click on it, open it up, and click Next to install. And the program will be up and running in just a few moments. I'll click Upgrade to Full Version. I'll go ahead and click right here to enter in my license key, which again I can find on that confirmation page for me to copy and paste. Click to register it, and there we go. I now have the latest version of WinZip Driver Updater installed and registered to unlock all of its features. Now let's have a quick look at what it can do for you. On the Home tab, you'll see the basic summary about the state of your drivers. And of course, since I just installed this, I'm going to need to run a system scan. But before I do anything, I'm going to come here to the Backup tab. Here you can create a safety net for yourself by creating a list of your current drivers, just in case there are any glitches later, such as a company putting out a new driver that proves to be faulty. With this feature, you can easily restore them to the version you had working. This is rare, but it's best to play it safe anyway. So I'll click Start Backup, and I'll keep this first option selected to create a restore point for all of my drivers system-wide. Click Next, and it usually takes a minute here for it to scan and process. Great, now that I've got that safety net, I'll come back to the Home tab and click Start Scan Now. WinZip Driver Updater will again scan all of my current drivers, but in this case it will cross-reference them against the manufacturer's databases and look for any in which the manufacturer has a new driver available. In this case I've got just one driver on my system that's out of date, but often enough you'll find dozens. I'll update it, and WinZip Driver Updater will download that driver from the official manufacturer's website. I'll click Install to go ahead and install that new driver, and it will take a few moments here to create the restore point in case I need it, and then install any new drivers. I'll get this pop-up screen reminding me to save anything that's open in other programs, so I can restart my computer and finish the installation. And when I'm back up and running, I can see that all of my drivers are up to date, like a well-oiled machine. But if I need to for any reason, I can come back here to the Backup tab and click Start Restore to revert back to the old drivers that I had. And that's it. You're all set to use WinZip Driver Updater to keep your PC up to date. If you run into any issues, feel free to contact our friendly support team for assistance.